If Apple made a robot vacuum, this would be it. Today, I want to show you the Mobius 60 by MOVA, which is the most advanced Robovac that I have ever used. It features advanced LiDAR scanning that maps your entire place, unique cleaning features like auto-switching mop pads, a Stepmaster climbing system, and so much more. There is so much cool tech to get into, and I do want to give a huge thank you to MOVA for sponsoring this entire video. Now let's get started with the design. Just like Apple products, the M60 feels designed with aesthetics in mind, and it has this super nice cabinet that hides all of the different components in bins so that when it's closed, it looks more like a premium appliance than anything else. I mean, even the vacuum itself has a sleek black chassis that doesn't stand out as a big distraction when it's moving around. And for a Robovac, I think it looks pretty good. But probably the most Apple feature here is the way this robot navigates around your home. Just like what Apple puts on the iPhone, this Robovac has an industry-leading LiDAR scanner that allows it to quickly map your home and optimize it for cleaning. And this gives the M60 a level of precision for pixel perfect navigation. And you can see the accuracy pretty much immediately after the initial mapping. It does not get confused, it does not make wrong turns, and most importantly, it does not bump into things. My previous Robovac would just bump into stuff to figure out where it was. And let me tell you, that was not the most efficient system. Not to mention, it also combines LiDAR with smart cameras, so it knows how to automatically avoid objects that should not be picked up. So if you have kids around that are always dropping stuff, or you just leave a cable on the ground that wasn't supposed to be there, this Robovac just goes around it even when things are changing dynamically. And this is something I tested. I would throw things in front of it, and rather than getting confused or sucked up, it just moved on like it was never an issue. Even cooler is that the LiDAR is fully retractable on here, so while typically it's sticking up to give the vacuum its best possible view of your room, it can lower when it needs to get in hard to reach areas that would typically be off limits. And this allows the M60 to go to a bunch of different places in your home where previous Robovacs I owned just couldn't make it. But LiDAR is just the start of this, because the M60 also features a first of its kind automatic mop switching system that is modular and can swap out mop pads on demand. See, the base station serves as a mop pad hub that stores and swaps between 3 different options, and depending on which one is best for a certain room or situation, it'll back the robot out, swap out the mop pads, and then install the new ones on the robot all automatically. And it's pretty wild to see this happen in real time. So the 3 different types include the red thermo hold mop for dining areas and kitchens, there's the yellow plush mop for hardwood, marble, or other delicate floors, and then a blue hyper clean mop that's sort of the one size fits all for everyday cleaning. So of course I had to test it out, and the mopping on this thing is legit. I was blown away by the amount of downward force alone that this was able to apply to really clean things up and essentially make my floors look brand new again. And it turns out the reason the M60 is so good at this is because it uses AI to determine the best mop pads for each zone in your home. From my experience, it's been really solid. Sometimes though, when the robot is moving around your house, things get complicated, and a typical Robovac would encounter a small step that it can't get over. Except MOVA has engineered the M60 with obstacle crossing technology. Yeah, this thing can actually climb small obstacles up to 8 centimeters or over 3 inches tall. And like the mopping, it's wild to watch this in real time because it detects it on its own with no work from you and engineers a solution to get over this in real time. Again, this is something I tested out a couple of times, and in each instance, the robot was able to get over the obstacle and continue cleaning. Of course, cleaning is the most important thing on any Robovac, and that's another area where the M60 really impressed me. The coolest feature by far is the brush arm that automatically comes out when the robot's in a corner, because it allows it to fully remove particles that would usually remain stuck, and it was always something I'd have to manually vacuum in the past. With the M60, the stuff in the corner just disappears. And when the vac is regularly vacuuming around, you get up to 30,000 pascals of suction to remove dust, debris, and pet hair continuously. So what does that actually look like in action? Well, I started in my kitchen. I really wanted to push this through its paces. I had a bunch of crumbs on the ground that were all over the place, in corners, in the center of the floor. It looked like a disaster. Within a few quick minutes, the M60 was able to handle all of it, and my floors looked great. But the real challenge with vacuums is always carpet, because stuff gets stuck everywhere in here. So I did something similar, spilling a bunch of crumbs on carpet, something that would be a nightmare to do myself. And once again, the M60 was able to go back and forth until it got it looking new again. That's because the M60 also uses AI to detect carpets, and it creates a semi-seal to remove deeply embedded particles that would generally remain stuck. It's kind of hard to see on video, but you can notice how it raises up the mop pads and it switches into this new mode when it detects the carpet. It's basically got this pressure retention baffle that automatically lowers when the robot moves onto carpet, and that increases the suction, so as it moves around, you're able to get more up from the carpet than when you don't have the baffle. I even decided to turn the heat up and try out the M60 on this high pile carpet. It was able to get on there by itself, it moved around, it got every square inch, and it also made it really clean. It kind of looked like it was even mowing the grass here, which was really satisfying. And the reason I'm impressed with that is every other Robovac I've owned has always gotten stuck there or caught in something. The M60 just got on there, cleaned it, and moved on with the rest of the cleaning. I was like, okay, this is the robot vacuum I've been looking for. Now, finally, the MOVA M60, just like Apple products, was also designed to just work and not require any extra effort from you to be maintained. It has a high capacity 3.2 liter dust bag that's good for up to 100 days of continuous use. Then there are the 212-degree self-washing mop pads that dissolve stains, grease, and oil to keep everything fresh. And to make sure nothing ever smells, you have 145 degrees of rapid drying that uses high heat and powerful airflow to dry the mop pads within an hour. Plus, the base station even holds these dual cleaning solution tanks that automatically fill up the robot with the right cleaning solution for the task, with both A and B tanks for standard and wood or pet cleaning solutions. So for all intents and purposes, this requires no maintenance day to day, and that is obviously a must for any good Robovac. So in summary, I really like this thing. The M60 is MOVA's flagship offering, and just like an Apple product, it's a premium offering with pro-level features that work great on carpets and complex floor types, and it is best suited for larger homes and more intense messes. And right now, when you use my link down below in the description, you can get the MOVA M60 for yourself. So anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful, and I will catch you in the next one.